Open my second drawing if you haven't done so, and switch into your letter layout. Let's do some experimentation on the viewport. Notice the status bar still says we're in paper space. Double click to open up the viewport into a model space view. And if you look back down here, you can see now it's set to model. If we wanted to get outside the viewport back into paper space, we could double click in open space. Now I'm just going to go back in again, double click. Or we can click on the word model and it changes back to paper. Go back inside the viewport, double click. Now we're in model space. Now use the scroll wheel to change the scale of the view. Watch the status bar scale as we do it. You can see it's not 1:1 anymore. We really do want to keep it at 1:1, and we don't want to accidentally change it. Usually we go into a model space so that we can adjust the panning to place our view centralized or what we want to see on the screen. What we want to do is put it back to 1:1. So while you're still in the viewport, just go down your down arrow, click back 1:1, and then now I can pan to get into position without scrolling. Always make sure it's at 1:1. Double click outside. To stop from inadvertently scaling the viewport when you didn't want to, click on the edge, go down to the status bar, and you'll see that we have viewports are not locked. Click on it, and now this viewport scale has been locked. If we were to double click to go inside, and then started using our wheel to scale, you can see that it's scaling the view of the entire layout and not just the object inside the model space because the viewport is locked. Double click outside. Zoom extents to make sure that you haven't drawn something off the paper accidentally. We can see that everything's fine. Let's save our drawing. Lastly, before we're getting ready to fill in our title block, is that we want to get rid of the outside edge of our viewport. Typically, you don't plot the viewport edge. Go up to your layer list, make another layer current, let's use 0, and then freeze your viewport layer. And escape. We still have the objects that are in the window of the viewport, but the edge of the viewport is now frozen and not visible when we go to plot. Save your drawing,